heard the door. Is it back?
Not yet back. I don't know. What is happening?
Son, we've been waiting for you. I hope everything is okay. I'm fine. Obed.
Honey, I'm not sure everything is alright.
Obed.
What is it?
What's wrong? What's the problem?
Talk to me!
Speak. What happened?
Talk to us.
Son, what is the matter with you? I'm fine. Don't tell me you are fine. You look haunted. You look scared. Everything is written all over you. And you're saying you're fine.
Son, you are our only son. Eh? You have no reason to hide anything from us. Have we not tried over these years? Have we not?
Come on, I said I'm fine. I just had a nightmare. What nightmare are you talking about? Your shout woke us up this late. Now, young man, deal with any problem you have now. Don't wake me up by this time of the day again.
Honey, please,
Since you
I'll
don't want
talk
to
to
talk.
him. What is the matter with you? Please, if you don't want what happened to Hyginus to happen to his brother, tell me why you always go into my room to collect my things. Why?
What do you mean? And who is that Longinus and his brother Hyginus?
Mama, are you interested in answering my question, or you want to know who De Longi and his brother are?
What am I going to do in your room? Have you seen me enter your room before? Wait for your friend, Chineche. Ask her, she's the only one that entered that room with you.
Mama, you said you don't enter my room. Why?
Did I keep anything in your room? Keifin Nacho. What am I looking for?
Oh my God. Oh my God, Mama has finished me. Mama, you have finished me. This is why I killed Charlie. Mama, this is why I killed Charlie.
What do you mean?
Why would you say you don't enter my room? No wonder. That's why I'm always searching for my things. My things are always missing.
Please leave me alone. As you can see, I am busy.
I know that is what you would say. Before I came out of that house, I told myself that that is what you would say. But thank God. Thank your stars that you are my mother. If not, I would have let the police into this.
Hey, what exactly are you looking for? What is it?
That's the major problem. I've forgotten what I'm looking for. Am I even looking for anything? Mama, did I ask you? Did I tell you I was looking for something? But find it. Find it before I remember. Find it, Mama. Except you want to be interrogated by the police. Final warning. Final warning, Mama. Final warning. Find it.
Baby, come. Baby, why have you turned a blind eye on me? It's still Obites.
Mazi Egbono. Who shall tell Mazi Egbono that what killed his son Lonji is about to kill his son Haiji? Who shall I tell my story? Eh?
I don't understand. What is Mazi Egbono and Lonji? I don't get it.
Is it not obvious that what you're taking is not familiar with your body? Because I don't see why a man like you will see a grown-up woman like me walking along the road and call me baby. Let me advise you. Disease from whatever you are taking, it is not good for you. You are a product of someone's 9 months labor. Biko, pity your mother.
Sweetheart, wait. When will you realize that I love you so much? I do. I love you.
Love? I say no love, wrong. Love. Please, remind me that's your name again. What is your name?
Baby, don't tell me you've forgotten my name.
How can I call baby?
Okay. I'm still Obi now, but my close friends like you call me Obi Tess.
Well, those friends that call you Obi Tex should tell you that you should be in the police station, receiving interrogation and proper torture, slapping you up and down to let you know what is good for you.
Baby, it has not gotten to that.
No, it has gotten to that because if I were you, I would leave this place, walk straight to the police station and hand myself over to them. I swear to God, that will be the best thing that will ever happen to you. Try it and thank me later. And stop following me. I go left.
Happy.
Mama, why? Why do people like provoking thunder? Why?
What do you mean?
I want to understand. Why do people I don't know always claim that they know me? Forgetting the fact that this is the same thing that killed Charlie. Exactly this thing.
I don't know about the Charlie you're talking about. But for those claiming they know you, they might be right, you know.
Oh my God. Mama, you don't know Charlie. You have not seen Charlie before. Who did this to you, Mama? Who?
No one did anything to me. I pray one day you will get to understand me.
Mama, you don't need prayers. Trust me, you do not need prayers. You want prayer on this same issue? Mama, please. I hope I don't lose you to too much irrelevant prayers. Biko, you don't need it, Mama.
Go inside and take your food.
I should go inside and take my food. No problem, oh. I'm going inside to take my food. You, go outside and tell those people I have not seen before, not even in my dreams, always claiming that they know me, that I don't know them. Makatonda. Makatonda. As for me, I would not claim to know who I don't know. It's not possible. Final warning.
So much. I can't lose you. I won't. I will not lose you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Neche, I'm bothered.
Bothered about what?
Your friend Ruth. I still wonder when she will change.
Obinna, I must tell you the truth. I am more bothered than you are.
I don't want to lose her. I love Ruth with my heart. And it's painful to see her behave the way she's doing now.
I'm doing my best, Obinna. You know it's not been easy for her.
Please, try more. Try more, Neche.
Obinna, just calm down. I'll keep doing my best. Just have faith. She should come back to you.
She'll come back to me?
Yes, Obinna. Alright, bye-bye.
I press so.
Mama, I can't bear this. I can't bear it any longer. How can someone just walk up to me to tell me that she was my teacher in school? School I have never been to before. I can't even remember this woman's face.
What do you remember about yourself?
I've not forgotten anything about myself. I remember. I remember that you're my mother. And that my father is dead. And I have a friend called Chinechere.
Wait, can you remember where you met Chinechere?
Yes, I remember. I met her at Isu Ijamba.
Isugini? Where is that?
Oh my God. Mama, you have forgotten how I met Chinechere. Huh? Hi. Mama, old age is telling on you. Old age is beginning to deal with you, Mama.
Old age?
Yes, old age. Somebody should help me call the police. Call the police. What will I tell Amadioha? Eh, Mama? You're carrying firewood. You forgot that you said we'll take the goats to the church. Eh, Mama? Mama, I'm telling you, we met Chinechere at Isu Ijamba. You're carrying buckets.
Oh, Guinea!
You said we were going to take the goats to the poultry. To the church. Let's go.
Now, bring me here.
Mama, you still don't understand.
Go inside. Go to your room. Go to your room. I think.
Mama, leave the pot. We need to take the goats.
I say go to your room. Go to your room. Go to your room.
You should be thinking of getting a wife. You're no longer a kid. You know that?
Mom, for the first time you've agreed I'm no longer a child.
I've never treated you like one.
Oh, you have? When you almost advised me on the quantity of air I should breathe in.
You're funny. Honestly, Obed, you should actually be thinking of getting a wife. Especially now that you've been left to manage the company business. For your information, your mother and I are planning to take a vacation abroad.
Really?
Yeah.
That means you have to phone Ella to come join me here.
Ella is not your wife. Ella is your sister. Get a wife and get a life, my dear.
Well, Dad, you know I can't just wake up one morning and get a wife. It won't be easy, you know.
My dear, you've always been complaining about my interfering in your personal life. Get yourself a wife. Ella cannot leave school and come to this place and stay with you. Okay?
Okay, then. I sense conspiracy, actually. So when are you guys traveling?
Next week.
So soon?
Of course. We already planned ourselves. Listen, once you're ready to get married, call us. We'll come back and give you the desired support.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Mom. Start searching then.
Let the search begin now.
Bye. See you.
See you there.
No. The sun is something else.
Can you imagine?
Oh.
I was actually heading to your office.
What for?
I want us to talk.
Well, I'm here now.
I want us to talk in private.
Sorry, I don't have time for that. As you can see, I am very busy. Excuse me.
Do you have,
Babe. Jigga. Babe, what's up? Guess who showed up today?
You know I'm not that guess. Try. Mark.
No.
Who?
Obe.
Obi. This is serious.
I was so surprised when I saw him. He came around looking liquid. You should have seen the look on his face.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Yes, I'm happy for you. That's always been your dream.
You're kidding, right?
Kidding about
No,
what?
chill. Are you trying to say I should forget about Mark?
No, what I'm trying to say is that you should give Obi a little chance. I'm for you. Kiss me. How did it go? What's up? Why you? What? Ah, good job. My girl, my chick. I'm coming, job. Jesus.
She's is so beautiful, but I let my ego push me to throwing my egg to the dust. But it's obvious she's the only one my heart yearns for. Yeah, so I'm still wondering why you don't want to collect money for the food.
Like I said before, my madam said anytime he comes around, you shouldn't collect money from yourself.
Why? Must you always do that? Please, I'll have to pay you. I can't eat without paying.
No, sorry, sir. I'm working on instruction. Please, I don't want to lose my job. Please. Thank you, sir.
Come in.
Hi.
Please, you're welcome to my office. Sit.
Thank you. So I saw you downstairs just now, right?
This is my tree. I do go around to make sure things are done properly and to know how my workers treat my customers.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Well, I must commend on you guys, way of running your services here, from your food to your workers. Top notch, I must confess.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So that brings me to asking a few things that have been bothering me for quite some time now. Your workers have been serving me food without collecting money. Are you aware of that? Oh, really? So why have they not been collecting money for service rendered? Or are you guys running a kind of promo here? Eat one, get two free.
No, we are not running any promo. It's just that
You like me? Oh, really? So what number am I in your list? I mean, you can't just wake up one morning and tell me you like me by giving me free food. Come on, girl, that's a bit irresponsible. That is meant to be the other way round, right? Well, I am not that cheap, You can't get my attention with a plate of food. And how did I make this happen? How did I let what is mine slip out of my hands because of ego. How? Now I don't even know if she will want me back. What do I do? I so much love her. I have to fight for what is mine.
Babe, I don't think I will ever allow that guy an inch close to me. You don't have to see the disgrace he gave to me. I don't even want to talk about it.
But wait, babe, are you saying you don't like Obed anymore?
Are you asking? Who will? Not after the disgrace he gave to me. At least not now I have a cute and caring guy like Mark.
Babe, please, I beg no vex here. I am interested. If you don't like him, pass him over to me. I am interested.
Okay.
I want him.
Fine. With all pleasure, take it.
I receive in Jesus' name.
Nonsense girl.
Pass him over. I'm not joking with you. If you don't like him again, babe, I like him. Please pass him over to me, don't forget. Okay.
Mama, you're still breaking these melons. Eh? It's my hobby. Meanwhile, it's very lucrative.
Mama, stop breaking this melon. Eh? This is a new year. You have to get another hobby, a new one.
Ruth, this is not New Year. We are in the middle of the year. In the next 5 months, this year will come to an end.
But the thing is that we think differently. I think from the younger side, and you think from the older side.
I don't understand.
That's not why I came to meet you. I have one important question to ask you.
Which is?
Where is my car? Why have you not bought me a car?
Ruth, you cease to amaze me. We barely feed in this house, and you're here talking about car.
That is why people like you should be in the police station, facing interrogation. They should be asking you questions. Why can't you just buy me a simple car as your only daughter? What is there? No matter how small.
Hey, Chukwu, how long will my daughter remain like this? How long will she remain like this?
Mama, are you crying? And who is Chukwu Abiyama? Is that my father's elder brother, the one you've been talking about? My uncle. Mama, you're still crying. Uncle Chukwu Abiyama is making you cry. Eh? Mama?
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
Okay. Let's break melon. It's very lucrative. It's our hobby. So break melon. Mama, you didn't even tell me you were doing that.
I did. That's when you said I should buy you fried plantain.
Hi! Mama, you can lie. Why did you start lying? Have you ever seen me eat fried plantain before?
Yes, you ate it yesterday. I'm not lying.
You mean you gave me fried plantain to eat? Why?
Rude. Ike got the home not to
Mama, you better choose your thunder. Roasted or fried. Just say it with your mouth. Oh, okay, yeah, wait.
Well, what will you buy for me from the market? Say it before Amadioha strikes your mouth now.
Amadioha will not strike my mouth. Tell me, what do you want me to buy for you?
Engine oil.
Isigini.
Add spanner. Don't forget the nut. And the screwdriver. Am I forgetting anything? That's all I want. Don't forget, oh, Mama.
I'm actually going to the house to see my friend.
She's at home. I'm going to the market.
Okay.
But please, be careful with her. She's becoming troublesome these days. Be careful.
Okay, Mama. Let's try and take it easy with her. She'll soon be fine.
Thank you. CKO.
Okay.
CKO.
Okay, Nabo.
Bye-bye. Neche. As if you know my mother has been starving me with food in this house.
I hope you like this one.
Let me taste it first.
What is it? You don't like it?
Who cooked this food?
Me, I prepared it myself. Is it not sweet?
I want to ask you a question. One simple question, and I need you to tell me the truth. Because if you lie to me, it will hurt me very well.
What is it?
When last did you visit the police station?
Police station? Why should I go to the police station? Is it an amusement park where people hang out?
Because people like you should be in the police station. You need proper investigation, to be interrogated and given proper torture.
What have I done again? Is the food not sweet?
It's sweet. It's sweet. I like it.
Ah, Ruth, you're so full of drama.
I don't know if I should ask Brother Romanus or Ejiofor. Why you always like adding too much salt when you are cooking?
Ejiofor, who is Romanus?
Who cooked this food?
I made the food.
So you promised to buy me your party.
Good afternoon.
John Bosco. Good
Stop.
John Bosco. Come here. Come here. With this your tiny girlfriend that looks like a expired fish. So common to greet me. You cannot. They did not give you proper home training. Listen, when I was in London, Queen Elizabeth ordered everybody to come and genuflex before me in the morning. You need to go down on one knee and greet Ruth before anything happens. And you two silly rat that hasn't crossed the border of this village. You had the guts to walk past me without greeting me.
No, we greeted you now.
Yeah, we greeted you. Am I deaf? Is it doing here? For who? Who did you say?
Let's go, Joe. She's not okay. It's like she's mentally, she's having problems. Let's go.
Look at this mad woman saying I'm mentally not okay. The children of nowadays, they can't even do anything.
Who is here? Hello? Daluno? Hello? My baby! How you doing, my queen?
Obitex, right?
Obitex, that is it! Anyway, baby, I just came to remind you of my love to you, how much I love you. So how are you today?
I'm fine.
Good.
What is wrong with your kidney?
Nothing. My kidneys are okay.
No, I mean, what is wrong with your left kidney?
Baby, my kidneys are intact.
No.
They are sound.
They are not intact. If a stubborn maggot has not eaten that kidney of yours, you would have known that this is not the best thing for you.
Darling, my kidneys are okay. I just came to tell you how much I love you. I really do.
You came to tell me how much you love me. Listen to me. This is the first and the last time you will come here looking for me. The next time you try it. No, let's cough together.
Ogini. What is it? Ogini, what is it?
Welcome.
What is it?
Welcome, Mama.
Why is your eye red? Ogini.
Ogini! He's fine, Mama. He's fine.
How can you be fine? Your eye is red. Why is the eye red?
We were just actually rehearsing drama.
You want water? You want me to get you water?
No, Mama, he doesn't want water. He's fine. Remember, we have scores.
What happened between you and Obina?
Nothing. Did he tell you that I touched him?
I've not seen him in that mood before. And he used to be your close friend.
Aye!
Ogini, what is it?
Mama, I feel pains.
What is it? Where?
My kidney. Mama, I feel pains in my kidney. My right kidney. Aye.
What is this about you and kidney?
Mama, all I'm saying is that it would have been nice for me to sacrifice my kidney for other people so that they can think properly, they can think well.
Ruth, people don't think with kidney. They think with their head.
That is where the problem is, Mama. They should not be thinking with their head. That is why the policemen are not working. Nothing is happening in this country. Everybody is just adamant in this country. I don't know what is happening. Eh? I think it's my left kidney. It's this one.
And that's why you have to take after your father.
Yes.
And do the needful.
I'm a real dad. Staying in this house alone will not be easy for me.
Hey, young man. I don't want to hear any of that. I started living by myself at the age of 17. You should do the same. Let me tell you, it will be a total failure on your path if anything goes wrong.
Son, don't mind your father. Do anything you can possibly to maintain everything that you left over, especially the company. That's all I want you to do, okay?
Lest I forget, the best news I ever want to hear from you is that you have found a wife. Once I hear that, bingo, I'll be back immediately.
Honey.
What?
Well, Dad, I will try my best. You should run along your flight.
Please, drop us.
Listen, I know it may be difficult. No matter how difficult it seems to be, just keep trying. That's what makes you a man. Come on.
Okay, Dad. Copy that.
Okay. After you. We're leaving.
On the real, I love that girl.
If I were that girl, I won't come an inch close to you.
Come on, man. Sometimes you sound like my enemy. Why?
Why? Just tell me, why won't I sound that way? Why? Why? A very pretty girl, a very successful girl, summoned courage, walked up to you and told you she loves you. What did you do? You turned her down. Guy, you're not serious, so you're not serious at all.
But you know I'm not that cheap to be gotten with a plate of oha soup and eba. You know, right?
Mr. Expensive, well done. Why do you complain?
Hey, come on, just take a chill pill. I called you for you to advise me, alright? What can we do?
Well, I think she still loves you, and I think you should summon courage. Walk up to her and tell her how you feel about her. That's what you should do. Okay? Go to her office. Just talk to her.
Okay.
Hi, baby. I'm fine. I'm just missing you. Oh. Okay. Call me when you're free. Come in. How may I help you?
Well, I want us to talk things over and...
Is it about business?
No. It's something I actually think is bigger than business. It's about us.
As far as I can remember, there is no us. And there has never been.
Well, Cheesy, I want you to take it easy on me. On us, especially. I'm actually here because I want us to...
Please, sir. This is my office. And we only do business here. So, if you're not here to talk about business, I'm afraid I will have to ask you to leave.
Are you asking me out of your office?
Something like that.
Okay then. Okay.
Obed has sworn to make life miserable for me. I don't know what is wrong with that guy. But babe, you loved him first. And he messed me up.
Well, I blame him for that. Okay, why don't you just give him a second chance?
I will never do that. I hate that guy. I hate his guts.
Well, I still love her. But the fact is that she doesn't want to see me anywhere around her anymore.
No, that's not true. See, look, Obed, any other person will react the same way she's acting right now, considering what you did to her.
I don't think so.
What do you mean?
Do you know she almost slapped me today?
You did what? No, you won't do that. That's not fair. You can't do that. That's not
Then ask him to leave me alone. Can you help me? Tell him to leave me alone. I have a boyfriend. I have Mark and I love him.
My friend, let's be realistic here. Mark is not your type. He's not. You just love him because he's among the circle of men you love. He's vibrant, he's rich, he's cute, he has everything, whatever. But my dear, attitude. As for me, your friend, I will choose Obed over Mark. Take it or leave it. You like, take my advice.
Please get me water while coming out.
As your house help, I'll get you water.
Well, I'm not surprised, considering what you did to her. But the truth is, I'll stay big, cheesy over any of these pretty young girls that flock around you. Come to think of it, she's smart, intelligent, hardworking. She runs a very successful business. If you truly want to get married, like you said, I think you should settle down and go for her.
Well, you know I've always loved cheesy, right? And she's the type of woman I want for myself. But I'm just afraid that she won't get to love me again.
No, she will. I think she's just reacting based on what you've done. But I know she'll come around. Just keep pushing, man. Keep pushing, okay?
Love this shit. It's crazy.
Ruth! Ruth!
Mama.
Yeah? Let me cut it for you. Your brother sent us some money.
Wow. That's to say I'll use the money to buy everything I need. Everything.
Oh, now. We'll use this for your checkup day tomorrow. Have you forgotten?
Checkup? Who is sick? Am I sick?
No, you used to, but now you're fine.
Then why are you taking me back there?
The doctor wants to see you. She just wants to be sure you're fine.
No, mother. I will not go back there. She's not my mother, neither is she my aunt. So I have no business with her. I'm not going there.
She's your father's sister. She just wants to make sure you're fine.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Do we look alike?
Yes, but not really.
Why did you have to hesitate with the yes? Anyway, my aunt we're going to see. Do we have any wedding to plan? Because I think I heard you talking about fixing dates. Okay. If you take me to her office now, who will take me back to school?
You're done with school. You're not going to school anymore.
Oh. Okay. I'll go with you.
Thank you.
Why are you crying?
No, I'm fine. Ruth, Guinea Jizigi. Come now, let's go. We don't have time. Ah. Ruth, Guinea, what is keeping you now?
Mama, sorry. I'm ready.
Hey, what is this? What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
Why did you paint your face like that? And what is that you're holding?
Mama, this is not paint. This is makeup. And this, the doctor asked me to bring it. He needs it for examination.
You don't need to paint your face like this to go to the doctor. And you don't need that as well.
Mama, I need to look good to see the doctor. And this is not paint. I'm reminding you, it's not paint. It's Mary Kay. I rubbed the Mary one side, I rubbed Kay once. I took out time to do this makeup, Mama. Let's go. Mama, let's go. We are running late for church. The doctor is waiting. Let's go. You were the one who complained that I was wasting time. Let's go, Mama.
We're not going to church. We're going to the hospital. You have to go and wash your face and keep this. You don't need it.
I know we are not going to church. We are going to the hospital.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. So go and wash your face, okay? You look beautiful without the makeup.
Okay. I'll wash my face, but I will not drop this one. The doctor will need it. Huh? Let me wash it.
Go and wash it. Go and wash your face. The doctor doesn't need it.
No, my doctor said I should bring it. I'll carry this one. He needs it. I'll carry it.
Hey!
Should have just allowed me to carry my bag. Why did you ask me? Just when I thought I have seen it all, I am talking and you are still putting your mouth. What is it now?
Who is she?
What do you want? I'm here watching these two. Remove your hand from there. I'm here and you are still touching her.
Just leave them alone.
What is your own now? Go now.
Do you know her?
If you say one more word, I will lock you up in the police cell. The police is your friend. You need to be investigated and interrogated. How can you be doing this outside?
It's okay, let us
Just
leave them alone.
I am going to make sure you sleep in the police station.
Let's
For
go.
proper investigation
Let's
and
go.
interrogation. Look at you, Raskimono. Eh?
Do you know her?
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you.
So, how is your daughter doing today?
She's fine.
You wait a minute, mother. Which of your daughter is she asking of?
You're the only daughter I have.
Hey! Hey! What will I tell them at the station? What will I write as my statement?
Oh, I'm sorry. Please forgive my manners.
That is why I have to leave this country. I need to leave this country. What has your manners done? You just said something with your mouth. And now you are asking me to forgive your manners. Your manners are innocent. They have not done anything.
It's okay, Ruth. It's okay. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Please go inside.
Okay, mother, take care of the house. We are going for our visit with the queen. Should I come? Yes. Come. I should come with this. Please take care of the house.
How is she doing?
Madam, she will be fine. It's just a matter of time.
I keep hearing that all the time. It's a matter of time, it's a matter of time. How long will it take her to be back again?
Trust me, she will be fine. Just a little time.
But why is she always... She talks off point. She talks too much. Very aggressive, restless. She's always talking and talking. She wants to travel out of the country. She wants to do this, she wants to do that. All she is saying doesn't make sense. But why is she doing all that?
Well, madam, the cause of hallucination is as a result of the traumatic brain injury she suffered during her accident. But with proper medication, she will be fine. Just a matter of time.
Doctor, please, I don't want anything to happen to her. I can't wait for her to get her senses again. She's the only daughter I have.
I know, I understand.
Don't please just do anything, please. I beg you.
I will try everything in my own power. Well, we'll all leave everything for God. I'll try my own best. It's okay.
Hey, look at you.
Oh.
So how are you?
Fine. I have missed you.
And I've missed you too. So why don't you go have fun somewhere in town?
Sure. Please just give me a minute.
I'm waiting. Ooh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for Cheesy. Can I see her?
Okay, she's not around. But Madam Juliet is around.
Oh, very good. Can you kindly tell Juliet it's Obed?
Okay. Fine, let me just inform her now.
Oh, can I at least come inside?
Okay, let's come inside.
That coming.
Madam, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
There's a man at the gate. He says he wants to see you.
A man at the gate?
Yes.
Who is the man?
He said his name is Obed. Yes, Obed.
Oh, Obi! Oh, please send him in, please. Time to come.
You can come. Yeah. Welcome, man.
Hey.
Hi, Juliet.
Hi, Obi. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to see you.
Same here. So I asked the gate man, he said Cheese is out at the moment.
Yeah, she's not home.
Okay. Well, Juliet, you see, I know you and Cheesy are quite close, and Cheesy at least listens to you when you advise her. I had a problem with Cheesy sometime, and I've been trying so hard to, apologize for what happened, but she doesn't want to see me, she doesn't want to hear from me, and...
Obi, she told me how bad you have treated her, and that's not good.
I regret my actions. I've been trying to make it up to her, but...
Anyway, I'll try and talk to her and see if she will accept you again.
You really need to help me talk to her.
Okay, what I have to do for you right now is I'm going to give you her private number.
Oh, very good. That goes.
Okay, it's fine. Just get her number. Her number is...
Come back. I said come back. Come back here. Are you mad? And how dare you cheat on me? Who is Obed? You have to go to cheat on me after all I've been spending on you. And besides, what kind of text message was that? You're cheating on me, Abi? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Now stand up. Come on, get inside. Get inside. Come on.
Good morning. Any problem?
Okay, somebody they look for you outside.
Somebody.
So now one lady, you say her name na Chibuzi.
Chibuzi?
Yes, sir.
Chibuzi. Wait, you mean cheesy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Let her in.
Okay.
What happened to you?
You should be happy it turned out just the way you planned. Why are you hell-bent on humiliating me? What wrong have I done to you?
Who did this to you?
Don't come close. Obi, I beg you in God's name. Please delete my number from your phone. I cannot love you, can't you understand? Stay away from me. Stay very far away from me. I won't want you again.
Juliet, enough. Juliet, just let me. You will not listen to me. You will not. Countless times Mike has laid his hands on you. He's just your boyfriend, not your husband. What's wrong with you? Okay, let me just ask you. Let me just ask you this question. Do you enjoy his fist on you? Juliet, enough. It's okay. What would you have me do? No, tell me. I walked up to Obi. What did he tell me? He told me the story of my life. He said I was cheap. Then Mark came into my life. I accepted. How was I supposed to know all this will happen? Am I a spirit? Juliet, please. Just let me be. I will fix my mess my way. So just let me be. Chizzy, all you need is that you need a man that will take care of you. Chizzy, in as much as you know the class of men you want, let me just tell you, you're a very hard-working girl. You don't need this. You don't. But fine, it's all good. If you don't want to listen to me, if you want to get my own advice, you don't take my advice. Juliet, it's okay. Don't take yours. Fine, it's cool. There's no problem. Suit yourself. Do whatever you want to do. Whatever. Just suit yourself. Yes, Chizzy. Suit your fucking damn self. Yes, I said so. Just leave my box. Leave it. No, Mama, leave my box. Leave it. Leave it, Mama.
Rude to Biko Ziano.
Mama,
Biko. What is it?
Just allow me go. Allow me go. Biko.
Biko.
Mama.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
I know where I'm going. When I get to the cemetery and cross Dale Longino's house, I will get to my destination. Allow me. Mama, leave my box.
Biko's there.
Mama, what's happening here?
Thank God you're here, my dear. Please help me talk to your friend, Biko.
Ruth, what is the problem? See me see trouble. My mother took me to the hospital. and ask them to give me an injection that turned me to a dullard, to a mumu. Mama, leave my box. I need to cross the bridge before road safety closes the bridge. So please, just allow me go.
Hey, please help me talk to her, please. Because I beg you.
But Mama, why did you take her to the hospital? You should have done a thing like this. No?
Okay, I won't take her again, but because sorry, I won't take you to the hospital again.
Mama, leave the box. I said I know my destination. I know where I'm going to.
Because Ziano, please, I beg you. I won't take you to the hospital again, oh? Please, I won't take you to the hospital again.
Mama.
Ruth, I want to ask you one question. Just one question.
Better be fast. They will soon close the bridge. I need to cross that bridge before they close it. Drop your question.
Did you see the way your mother was crying when you were about leaving?
You are not supposed to be blaming me. Romanus is the one to be blamed, not me.
And who is Romanus?
Romanus. Who is Romanus? Huh?
Ruth, your mother may not survive it if you leave her.
What happened to my mother?
Did you see the way she was crying like a baby?
My mother was crying.
If you leave her, I'm not sure she will survive it though.
My mother cannot die. She cannot die.
Ruth!
I have to talk to her to make sure she does not die. I beg. Go across the bridge. Mama. So it's true. So it's true, Mama. You want to die and leave me in this useless country. It will not work. You will not die until I leave this country, else we will die here together.
My dear, you're going to stay with me. Milan. Please stay with me. I will not die. Just stay with me. Oh, Biko.
It's not like I blame you. It's not you I blame. It's Romanus. Romanus is the one I blame. Eh?
You can blame anyone you want to blame. But please, just stay with me, okay, Nem?
I don't blame you.
Thank you.
But we'll go to Owerri today, right?
I think I've lost her completely.
Don't tell me you're giving up already.
It's obvious her love for me is dead. I've done all I could to win her back.
Come on, Obed. She's only been human. What do you expect? Look, give her time, okay? Keep pushing. Trust me, she'll give in.
My patience is zooming off on a reel. I really need to get married this year.
Marriage? Are you serious?
Of course. It's about time, you know.
This is serious. Barman! Show. Like, seriously, you want to get married? Well, I think she's a wife material anyway, so keep pushing.
Baby, you don't have to kill yourself. I'm surprised at what you're doing. I know a lot of women out there who don't even have what you have. As much as what you have, but they have a comfortable relationship out there. All you have to do is relax your nerves and bring your walls down. Maybe your destiny man might not be too tall to climb your walls.
I think I deserve a man that will not just be tall enough to climb my walls, but a man that can get over my walls. I worked for it, you know.
Baby, one thing in this life is that we struggle to better our life, but we don't know what life has to offer. All you have to do is to relax your nerves and see what life has to offer. Just follow it the way it is.
But I do have a choice.
Babe, I know you have a choice, but what if your choice is not what life has to offer? You have to calm down. Please.
Wilfred's friend.
I know. Chuka.
Oh, really? Anyway, Obed and I have been friends for a very long time now. I've come to know him really well. He's really sorry for what he did to you. Please forgive him.
Look, Chuka. I really don't want any guy toying with my emotions. I'm sure he's just coming around to mess with me.
No. Obed is not like that. Obed is a perfect gentleman. He's really sorry. Please give him another chance.
Look, the fact is, I have a boyfriend.
Young man, I actually overheard you trying to woo my fiancé to another man. Do you know who I am?
Baby, no, that's not true.
Shut up, you bastard!
How dare you? Are you mad? How dare you hit a lady? Huh? You must be a beast to lay your filthy hands on a woman.
And how dare you open your hellhole of a mouth to challenge me? Do you know who I am?
You must be a beast. Any man who lays his hands on a woman is a beast.
Do you know who I am?
I don't care who you are.
Baby, stop it! Baby!
She broke your head?
No. I beat him up.
Oh.
Stupid boyfriend, of course. You need to see the way he behaved towards her. So violent. He hit her. Man, I run enter the guy, oh my guy. I run enter him badly, man. Beat him up.
I thought she said the guy loves her.
Man, that guy is a beast.
Really?
I'm telling you. He is. I beat him up and he threatened he was going to arrest me. Started blabbing, is this, is that. Who cares? Who cares?
You know, one thing I like about you is that you're not easily intimidated when you hear big names, you know. I like that about you.
The truth is, it's so wrong for a man to lay his hands on a woman. For
so
what?
Wrong.
Man, I had to teach him a lesson. I taught him a lesson he will never forget.
You see, man.
It's crazy. You see the way he was talking to her. He went very before. He's a man I couldn't take. Jesus.
I'm sorry for what happened. He has no right to hit you.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Fine, bro. Fine, bro.
I was stuck in traffic a bit, man.
Oh, I thought I was mad.
So what's up?
My cool, man. Homeboy, I must thank you so much for your immense support. I mean, you're more than a friend. I appreciate it.
Don't mention. What are friends for? What are friends for? You're my friend, so I'll do anything to make you happy.
I know, but I just got to know you this year, but it looks like I've known you for over 10 years.
That's friendship for you, my brother. That's friendship. By the way, I actually came to tell you I'll be traveling to my village tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. I just want to go see my mom and my sister. It's been long I saw them.
Oh, nice. So how do you intend going?
What delayed me was I actually went to the park to book my ticket. So that tomorrow morning I'll go.
Come on, Chuka. I've told you to stop using public transport. Get yourself a car.
A car?
Of course.
Where would I have the money to buy a car? I'm not as rich as you are, man.
But I've offered you a car and you turned it down. Why?
No, you've done so much for me already. I can't bother you with that responsibility.
Chuka, you just said, what are friends for? Of course, what are friends for? I offered you a car, you're meant to accept it, and you turned it down.
Don't worry. I'll work hard and someday I'll get mine, okay? You've done so much.
Chuka. Anyway, I'll be free for the next 3 days. If you don't mind, I could drive you to your village.
Really?
Really?
Anyway, if you want to, I won't stop you, but let me warn you, my house is not fine.
What the hell is wrong with you, guy? I'm your friend.
It's okay. It's okay now if you say
stop. Hey! Barman!
Sir.
You be on this, right?
Don't give me stout.
I didn't ask for water. Since you're really getting close to this your new boyfriend.
Obed is so sweet. He's such a nice guy. Being with him is a dream come true for me.
My friend, you will thank me later. Don't forget.
Before I thank you, let me thank Chuka first. See, the way he handled that Mark guy opened my eyes to know how weak Mark really is.
Hey, I wish I was there to see you cry. Wait, you know I had gists, my friend, with Kanga. Did he cry? He cried.
I said he cried. He did worse than that. From that moment, Chuka earned my full respect.
I wish I was there.
Hey! You really missed.
So that guy cried. Cry, baby. I want to see my You like gossip, man? You like my
Has it gotten to this?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Wow. How the cookies crumbled. So like so soon, you threw away all we shared.
Mark. If my memory can serve me right, what we shared was your fist on my body. You know what? I am fed up of your mess.
Like seriously? Come back here! How dare you walk over me? Are you stupid?
How dare you lay your hands on me? Now you listen to me. If you lay your filthy hands on me again, I will call back Chuka to add more patches to the ones you already have on your face. Ram!
Mystery of human, it comes from the heart, but you can see it in the eyes. It can take all over you, so strong and so deep in your heart. That is why we only in the stream of love. My heart cannot give up on you. Obi more. My mind cannot give up on you. If nanya more. Love is life, life is love. You're taking my breath away. So many things I'm passing through just for your love. Come and be the heavens, I go be the raven. If you come be water, I go be the fish. Love you more. Manama, I follow you nanya. Love you more. Love you more. Manama, I follow you nanya. Love is so strong. Love you more. Love you more. Manama, I follow you nanya. Love you more. Love you more. Manama, I follow you nanya. Love you more. Love you more. Love you more. Love you more.
So fine. The design. Oh, this is beautiful.
Today, I have finally discovered the flesh of my flesh and the bone of my bone.
Calm down, babe. Calm
Sorry,
down.
I can't calm down because right now I'm in the 9th cloud.
I know, right? It's all about Obi.
My goodness. I have never experienced such love before. You can't even imagine the wonderful time I had with Obi today. Even without sex, I had the best moment of my life.
I told you it's all about sex.
My dear. I didn't know.
My girl, love is not about sex. It's about the beautiful feelings you have with your partner.
Dear, I didn't know. I didn't know. I thought it was all about sex. But today, Obed has shown me the different page of love I never knew.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. Let me show you more. See, just look at this one. Again, wait.
Trust me, I'm yellow now.
Babe, wait, what's... Babe, I'm taking this one.
Huh?
You calm down. My breast. Now give me
Hey! Oh yeah, take it. Give me.
Baby,
Yes, my love.
you've given me so much joy and happiness ever since you came into my life.
You're a dream come true for me. I have always wished to see a day like this.
I have a gift for you.
My love, you've given me enough already.
Everything I've given you won't be nothing compared to this one.
What could that be?
Will you accept it?
Let's see it.
Baby.
Can we go grey together?
This is beautiful. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. You deserve even more.
Thank you, my love.
Stop thanking me. Thank you for saying yes. So, right?
Juliet! Juliet!
Cheesy, yes, what?
Come!
Why are you screaming? What is it?
Guess what?
What?
I said guess!
I can't guess. Why are you screaming? What's the problem? Say something you say. Why are you screaming?
What? They asked me to marry. Oh my friend, I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Let me see.
This is beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you. So, how did it happen?
I don't know. I was not expecting this. It just... I don't know.
You can explain to me. I know you were excited. What happened?
I don't know. He just said he wanted to give me a gift, and I just like that. Of course, I said yes.
Your ring is so fine.
Thank
Oh
you.
my God.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you. So give me the gist. How did you do it?
Come in, the door is open. Come in.
Cheesy baby, please, I have come to beg for your pardon. I haven't been myself for the past week now. Please forgive me. I want us to continue the way we used to be.
Max, can you stop wasting your time thinking you can win me back? I am comfortable with my man right now.
Baby, please, admit me to...
There you go again. You can never change. It's money. You just feel you can have everything you want with money just because you're opportune to be a son of a rich man. Listen to me. Love is priceless. I don't love for money. As you can see, I am comfortable.
Cheesy, while the sudden hatred, few weeks back we were both professing that love for each other. I just want you to have me back, and I promise to be a better person. Please.
Mark, honestly, I have nothing against you. I have forgiven you.
Thank you.
Yes.
What?
I am now engaged. I will be getting married soon.
Please.
Hold on, I'm still talking. Listen, stay away from me. I wish you luck in your future endeavors.
Please, Cheesy.
Ma!
You can't do this, please.
Ma, can you just leave?
Please, Cheesy. Please. Cheesy, please.
Wow. I can't believe you drive this good.
I learned driving while I was with my master.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice, man. Hi, Ella. How are you? I'm fine. How is Canada today? I know, it must be freezing right now. wish to be like us, right? Oh, really? Wow, I cannot wait to see you, honey. Okay, alright, great. Alright, be good. Bye. Ow. My sister.
I guess the one in Canada, right?
Oh yeah, Ella.
Okay.
She's complaining of the cold. The freaking freezing right now.
Africa is blessed, my brother.
I swear
no
down.
winter, man. No winter.
So how many minutes?
We're almost at the border. We'll soon approach the boundary between Imo State and my state. Okay, give and take, let's say about 30 minutes.
Oh, 30.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Let's go. We're close now.
Yeah. Do you understand? Ubed, man, what's going on? I'm talking to you. You're not responding. What's going on?
I just had a flashback.
You seem haunted. Is something bothering you? Huh?
Just forget about it.
No. Come on now. Why would I forget about it? All of a sudden, your countenance changed. What's haunting you? Or what's bothering you? Oh, you want us to go back? You don't like the place?
Don't worry, I just had a flashback on this road. I once had an accident on this road.
Oh, come on, what are you saying? Have you been here before this road? Do you know this road? You serious?
Yeah.
Like, okay, when was that?
That was like 2 years ago. I hurt someone.
Oh, that was way back before I knew you. You hurt someone. But since it's 2 years ago, then it's long ago. Just forget about it now. Why are you still bothered about it?
You won't understand. It's like a candle burning day and night in my spirit.
You say you've been to Umuboko before. What brought you here?
Oh yeah, I came for the Kings of Fala. The Crown Prince was my classmate back in the US.
Ofala Day?
Yeah, Ofala Day.
Was it in the night?
Yeah.
I told her to stop working at night. And she's always working at night. Look at it now. Tonight is the night before Ofala. And she's nowhere to be found. Any evil person or any bad person can just kidnap her and do something bad to her. Ruth! Mama is so worried. Ruth! Ruth! Ruth!
Why'd you ask?
I see. Something similar has happened to me before. And never mind, it brings back some memories, but it's okay.
Let's get to my house, okay? We're almost there.
Ah, Mama, good morning, ma.
Oh, good morning, Nim. Kedu?
Good ma. Fine, ma. Mama is my friend.
She's fine. She's at the backyard.
Okay, ma. Let me go and meet her.
Ada.
Ma.
Thank you so much. Thank you for always being there for her.
Mama, why are you sounding like I'm doing this for a total stranger? She's my best friend, and she was there for me when I needed her. It would be so unfair if I just abandon her now. Let's pray she gets better, Mama.
She will get better.
Okay, ma. Okay.
This is a good one.
What is it? You don't look fine.
Nacha, I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
What is the problem again?
Just when I thought I had seen it all, I never knew I had seen nothing. Don't tell anybody. I saw a man frying akara. Why are you laughing?
What is wrong with that?
You're asking me what is wrong with that?
Yes.
Have you seen that happening in any other part of the world? Have you seen it or have you heard it before? That's why I say you should not tell anybody.
My friend, it's better than being idle. After all, it's a legit business. So there's nothing wrong with that.
Brutus, even you? No wonder you betrayed Jesus.
Hey.
No wonder you were among the men that betrayed Jesus. Even you? Brutus!
Mama!
Chuka! I'm giving moto. Eh? Nah.
Mama!
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
I really missed you.
My dear. Who is he?
Yeah, he's my friend, Obed.
Nah, Kedu.
See how you're fine. You're looking like Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you. Nechi, how are you?
Brother, you want a new car?
I was just about to ask him the same question.
No. It's my friend's car.
Brother,
let's get them chair to sit down.
Why is your friend looking at me like that? He's looking at me like he lost his kidney at the police station.
Okay, shut up. I must insult everybody. Stop insulting someone you just met. I hope they don't mind that.
Okay. Fine man. My name is Ruth. What is your name? What is your name?
No. Obed,
sit down.
Obed, what is it?
Okay.
Obed,
come and sit here. Come and sit here.
What is it?
Brother? What have I done?
Chuka, tell me, what really happened to your friend?
Mama, if I tell you, you won't believe it.
Try me. At this my age, there's nothing I have not heard. How can a huge man like that just collapse? Is he epileptic?
No, Mama. Far from it.
Then what? Okay, Mezelia.
That man was the one who knocked Ruth down the other night she had an accident.
Tell me you're joking.
Which Ruth did you say had an accident?
I ran away from my responsibility. Now I'm back to face it. She has lost her sanity. What do I do now? Should I leave her to die in the problem I put her into and run away without trying a bit to help her out? Oh my God, this is serious.
People are heartless in this country. I need to leave this place. I need to go to London. But that is not the problem.
What is it? What happened?
That guy. That yellow pawpaw that came to our house. That fine boy.
What happened to him?
What did I do to him? Why did he die?
He did not die. He only fainted. And according to your brother, he has gone back to the city. He's well now.
He has come back to London?
Yes, he has gone back to London.
See, we need to find him. I need to tell him the truth. I heard my mother and my brother conniving to dupe him. They want to collect 10 million from his hand.
Why now?
I don't know. They said he said something about knocking me down. And I know it's a lie. I'm fine. You have been seeing me, I've been seeing you. We are good.
Yes.
Everybody's fine.
Yes.
So nobody collected anything from me. So I need you to go to London. No, you have not been to London before. You might miss your way. Okay, what you do, collect money from my mother. Buy your transport fare. Go to London and tell him that I need to see him. So when you see him, let me know. I'll buy my own transport fare and go to London and go and tell him.
It's okay, let's go inside. I will do that. Let's go inside.
Are you sure?
Let's go.
But you need to tell him that I'm looking for him.
Oh, madam.
Wow!
You're welcome back.
Babeko! You're still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, I'm so pleased that you're still working
You
here.
look more beautiful and young now.
Thank you. Please get my bag.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ah.
Madam, carry plate to you.
I must right my wrongs. I must handle this issue like a man. I have to face my responsibilities I once ran away from. Yes, I will do this no matter what it will cost me.
Hey, bro, I'm home.
What is the matter with you? Are you okay? Aren't you happy seeing me? Come on, what's going on?
Oh, madam, what are you doing?
Thank you, just drop it there.
Oh, madam.
Okay. What's going on? Talk to me. What happened?
Nothing. I'm fine.
What do you mean nothing? I've been calling you for days and you reluctantly refuse to pick my calls. What's going on? Come on, talk to me. I'm here now, okay?
You see, now I understand why they said life is like a roller coaster.
Don't give me riddles. Talk to me. Tell me what brought you down to this point. What's going on?
Just like in the game of merry-go-round, I have finally returned to the responsibility I once ran away from.
Which is?
Hit and run.
What?
Oga, kill yourself. Hi! You need to be taken to the police station for proper interrogation and investigation. Just kill yourself. Go to River Niger, stand in front of the road, let a truck crush you down. Your mates are in China, playing Ludo and making money. You are here, using this big stick to wash your mouth this morning. Why did you not cut that tree down there and use it and shove it down your throat?
What have I done now?
What do you mean, what have you done?
What have I done?
What do you mean, what have you done? Are your mates not in China? Are your mates not in Congo? Are your mates not in Tanzania? What are you doing here? You are brushing your teeth. Eh? You want to die, right?
Why do you say that I will die?
Don't mind that. She doesn't know whatever she's saying. Please, let's go. Let's go. No. Go and carry the tree and brush your teeth. You know this is interested in landing into trouble. Let's go. Not going into trouble. Let's go. Go to here. I need to go and talk to this man. Come, let's go. Leave him. Let's go. Go to here. Leave him. You want to kill yourself? You want to kill... Why are you pushing me? We need to go to China together. But not this way. Let's go. Let's go. To go and tell him that he's supposed to be playing Ludo in China.
Ruth, the most beautiful girl on planet Earth. How you doing, baby?
Why are there so many mad people in this village? What is happening? Eh? Who is this one sounding like a sports engine? Let's go.
Baby, it's me, Obetes.
Are you mad? Okay, listen to me. If you stop me one more time on the road again, if I slap you, if I land you back on, I will turn you.
Why are you behaving like? You don't remember what being like. It is what being like your love now.
Who is love?
Baby, it's Obetes.
Yes.
Your baby.
Who is your baby? Looking at yourself, like, can you give birth to someone like me? Am I your child? Why are you calling me baby? Just shut up your mouth.
You're my queen, my queen.
Yes, come again. I told you people are mad. You are not a king. You are calling me your queen. You are a madman. Let's go.
Don't go be like.
Sweetheart,
it's awful.
Baby, it's Obetes.
How long will you continue like this? I wonder what will become of Daddy's company which he has handed over to you if you continue like this. Obed, why don't you let those memories of yours off your mind and move on?
I just can't. I just cannot move on anytime I think of what I've done. I have broken someone's egg, and I feel so bad for it. That girl lost her sanity because of me. I feel so guilty. You don't understand.
I understand, bro.
You don't understand. Please,
I do understand how you feel, but I just want you to know that you still have some responsibility.
If it's fine or not. But babe, we should have gone to his house to check up on him. Juliet, how many times? How many times? More than twice I have been to his house. His gate man keeps telling me that he's not in town. I don't even know who to ask. I'm confused.
You need to calm down. But I thought he told you he was traveling.
Yes, he did.
So?
He said he will be going to the village with Chuka. But just for 2 days.
So why don't you call Chuka? Don't you have Chuka's number or his house address to get in touch with him?
That was the biggest mistake I made. I would have gotten Chuka's number. I wasn't thinking.
I think you really need to get to his gate man to contact Ole's family. This is becoming very, very scary.
Babe, I think you have a point there. I should get to him right away.
Too. Get to him anyhow.
Hey bro, what are you watching?
Nothing, it's on my phone.
Oh yeah.
Obed, what is going on? Can you explain the meaning of this rubbish? What have I done to you?
Baby, take a chill pill. I can explain.
No, what are you going to explain? That you're with another girl? Or you want to explain the reason you've not been taking my calls for days?
She is not a random girl. She's my younger sister, Ella. Ella, meet my fiancé, Cheesy.
Oh babe, you never told me you already have a girl.
Of course, you know what I'm passing through.
That is the point. That is it. What is it that you're going through that you cannot share with your wife-to-be? What in God's name is going on that could make you ignore my calls for days? What?
Baby, take a chill pill, alright? I can explain. It's okay. It's okay. I'm passing through a whole lot.
So, where is the girl?
She's in the village with her mother.
What has Chuka said about this?
He's been dumbfounded.
For me, what has happened. Even though they throw into prison, it can't reverse what has happened. I just wish they could forget about the incident and move on.
It won't be easy for them to forget.
Brother, I think what you're trying to tell us is that it won't be easy for you to forget. Because you'll be grieving over it as if it was a deliberate act.
This is bad. I have a suggestion.
He's going to the airport. What are you doing here? I'm asking you. You better be making it. Leave me. What have you come here to do?
Take it easy.
What have you come here to do? What have you come here to do? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here?
He's going to the
Why
airport. He's going to the airport. He's going to the airport, Mama.
Please.
Why are you here?
Calm down, Mama.
Why are you here?
Why are you here?
Mama,
Mama, he's going to the airport.
Mama,
take it easy.
After what you did to her.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. I'm sorry.
Mama, please. I have not been myself since this incident resurfaced. I've been thinking day and night what to do to make up for this. I and my family had a conclusion that at least 1 million naira for a start should be given for consolation.
It's a lie. Big lie. I said it. You people want to dupe him. You want to dupe Fine Boy. I said it. That was why you people said I should go inside.
Bia, will you shut up? Come on, go inside. Who called you?
Go to where? I will not go anywhere. Bia, Fine Boy. If you want to give them the money from your own free will, I don't have a problem. That is after you take me to China. Yeah. But if you don't want to give them and they're planning to dupe you, let me know. I'll tell the DPO. The DPO is my friend. The police is your friend.
Will you get inside? Come on, shut up, mate. Go
inside.
Yes, but he said we are going to London, Mama.
Come on, go inside. What's wrong with you?
By any man.
We'll go.
We'll go to London.
I will meet the DPO.
He said we'll go to London.
Come on, get inside. Have you seen it? No, have you seen it? Yes. You brought us 1 million. Now tell me, will 1 million bring back her sanity? Will 1 million give her a husband with this, with the way she is? I'm asking you. You brought 1 million, big man. Ask him to leave this place, oh. But why you say about what?
Sit down, Mama.
Let him leave this place.
Sit down, Mama. Sit down.
Okay.
It's okay.
Mama, please calm down. I'm just thinking of what to do to make up for this, please. Please. Please calm down. The deed has been done. Please.
I can't believe
Chuka, please.
You brought 1 million to us. AJ Megini, what's the money for?
Chuka, please.
Obed, you know since this incident, I've kept quiet. In fact, I'm short of words. But for you to have come to insult us, that is unfair.
I'm not here to insult you.
You are. You are. You came here to offer us money. You're paying us off. Is that the solution? Instead of you to think about how you will help out medically, how she can be treated properly, you came here to insult my family. Big man.
Of course. I'm thinking towards that as well. I'm also heading towards a medical treatment. It's just 1 million for a start.
I have been to China and they taught me how to speak in Chinese. And I told them, Macha, oh, Jackie Chan the fight for Champo. Now who Chan Jam go fight? I went to
Come on, get inside.
Chihuahua.
Come on, get inside.
Chawi. Have you been to China before?
Bye.
My brother, this is worse. It's getting worse by the day.
I have heard all you've said. Like I told you earlier, I have been the one treating her from the outset. So, I understand the situation better. I do.
My mother has told me all that. She told me about the treatment, the analysis, and every other thing. But all I'm asking is there no solution to this? Because she's getting worse.
There is hope. I have handled such cases in the past. I mean, I've seen worse cases than this. I advise you to take her back to her memory lane. But please, do not force her. It can lead to a total brain damage. Please.
Doctor, I don't understand. What do you mean? Memory lane?
Recreate the accident scenario. I am not giving you a total guarantee, but it can help.
You know I love you, right?
Yeah, I know.
I love you from the deepest part of my heart. I just pray you don't leave me halfway.
Leave you halfway? Baby, I won't leave you halfway. I loved you like I have never loved anyone. Besides, you've always been there for me. I know we are meant for each other.
I just wish my brother would leave us to get married.
Baby, the last time I came to see your people, your brother told me that he's not stopping us from getting married. But he wants you to complete your university education. And I believe that is not a bad idea.
I can't wait for us to be man and wife. I can't wait to be your wife.
I can't wait either, you know? I love you so much.
And I love... Stop! Mama is around and we're outside.
Oh, she's inside?
Of course she is. But I'll just let you steal one. Make it quick. You sent for me.
Neche, can't you see? Can't you see that a part of me is leaving me so fast? So fast!
How do you mean?
Tell me, for how long will I wait? How long? How long will I wait for my love, my boo-boo to recognize me? For how long?
Bina, I can feel your pain. But I can't force it on her. I've tried everything possible to make her remember how close you guys were. But it's not working. You know the worst part? She doesn't even want me to talk about it at all. I'm tired.
She doesn't want you to talk about it. She does not want you to talk about it. Are you telling me you can feel my pains? You can feel it. You cannot. Do you know what it takes to see your girl, your baby, your love not to recognize you? She does not know me anymore. Nature, your friend, could not recognize me. She can't. Okay. I can't. Okay. All right. I beg you. You do me a favor.
What favor?
Boo. Hi, love.
You've come again, you this madman. And who is your boo? What's the meaning of that? Neche, I thought you told me you were taking me to see a VIP. What are we doing here?
Yes, now that's him.
Yeah. Baby, I actually asked her to bring you here. Maybe you remember how we used to play around here. The things we did together. No?
You see why I said this man is a madman? Because anyone in his right senses would tell a lady that we have been playing love in this dirty environment. How? You're supposed to be arrested and interrogated by the police. What is wrong with you? Huh? You cannot talk. After you finish calling me boo-boo, you cannot talk again. It's not only boo-boo, it's Boscopan. What?
Baby.
How can I bomb, baby? Jesus Christ.
Can't you remember how we used to? We play around. I hold you, you hold me.
They need to take you to Yaba left. Who? You and who? Oga, I have not... All this your Sunita dance you are giving to me. Never have I been here with you. And please, next time, don't call me or send this idiot that is standing here to come and... Call me to come and meet you. Don't even try it. And especially you idiot, you are the one that's supposed to be giving this warning. If you try it next time, I will deal with you.
Ruth, you don't need to be hard on him now. You guys were very close before.
Oh, wash your mouth. Don't have sense. And you, if you come near me next time, you go and change your boxers and your slippers. You are telling me, don't worry, I'll see you. Are you that don't have sense? You carry me to come and meet this madman. Come on, me. Come on, come on, me. I will slap you. Let's go now. Right. Oh.
Come in.
Hi, baby.
Hi. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm okay, just chilling here.
So, where's Ella?
She's in the kitchen.
Oh, let me join her there. Ella.
Yo, big man.
My son, how are you?
I'm good, Dad. How is life over there?
Having some beautiful time with my wife right here.
You guys are really having fun, huh? Well, Dad, you see, I've been thinking lately, you know, I think I found the woman I want to marry. Oh, yes. I love her.
It's a feeling from the mystery of you.
That's it, Dad. It's about time, you know. I can't wait till you return, so I put the ring on the finger.
So strong and so deep in your heart.
Sure, Dad. Sure. Yeah. So how's Mom? Is she there? Too much fun, guys. Okay. All right. See you when I see you. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Okay, Dad. All right. Bye.
My heart cannot give
Honey, food is ready.
Oh, you're there? Okay.
Love is life, life is love. You're taking my breath away. So many things I'm passing through just for your love. Come and be the heavens, I go be the raven. If you come be water, I go be the fish.
Why are you happy? What's wrong? You won't believe what I'm about to tell you. Hey! Wait, what's up? Babe, I overheard Obed telling his father on the phone that he has found a wife.
What? And you know what that means, girlfriend?
You want the what?
That Cheesy will be getting married soon. I am super excited. I just feel like flying. I'm happy for you, baby. I'm so happy for you. Oh my God. Yes. What? Ah. Hey, it's like a dream come true. Aww. See, I can't wait to add Mrs. to my name. You know?
I know. When I've been giving you that advice, you, my own advice.
Advisor.
You before.
Advisor.
If not,
please,
Mrs. Cheese.
Hey, not just Cheesy, Mrs. Cheesy. Obed.
What's up with you?
I'm right to
What's up with you, babe? My girl, wait. I know you're getting married, but could
Well, let bygone be bygone. We're still friends.
Thanks for that, bro. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers, sir.
Chukali. You see, I was thinking of bringing your mother and your sister over from the village to see my parents.
Oh, no. That won't be possible at all.
Why? You don't like the idea? My parents said they want to see your sister.
For my mother, I can convince her. My sister Ruth, you know her with her drama now.
Come on, man. Leave me to worry about that. Alright?
Don't say I didn't warn you. You know Ruth.
Take a chill pill. Don't worry about that.
In fact, let me just think about it first. Let me think about it.
No, you don't need to think about it. You just need to say yes. Leave that for me.
Okay. If you insist. But I warned you.
I insist.
So, what's up with this project you're handling the other time?
Oh yeah, we're just at the finishing touches. I believe very soon we'll round off.
Okay. Wow.
Man, I'm happy, man.
So you're my body for life.
My
man.
best friend is back again.
You're my body for life. It's me, Chuka.
Ah, Oga Chuka. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Oga Chuka.
It's
Welcome,
okay.
sir.
This is my mother and this is my sister.
Welcome, man.
Let's go.
My goodness, this is awesome. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Brother, whose house is this?
Hey, it's my friend's house, Obed. This is their family house. Let's go.
Will you comport yourself and stop behaving like a butch girl?
No. Huh? Try to stop me. I am flabbergasted. I am mesmerized. This is... I can't deny me my visual life. Mama, this is beautiful. This is everything. I have the right to look at everything I want to see.
I'm not saying you don't have the right to look, but stop embarrassing us.
Hey, see, look. Yeah, both of you, don't embarrass me here. Stop your argument, let's go. Yeah, come here. Let's go inside. Let's go. It's okay, come on, let's go. Don't embarrass me.
Panic.
Wait. Greetings. Greetings.
Wow. Well done. Greetings. Lolale, sit down.
Sit down. This is my mother and my sister.
This is it. This is where I should be. This is where I belong.
Yes.
What have I been waiting for?
Stop disgracing me, Biko.
Ella, call a bed.
Okay.
Nani.
This is beautiful. Everywhere is...
Hi. Obed. Daddy's calling you. Obed.
Are they all here?
Yes.
Father, mother. Meet my friend Cheesy. And my friend Chuka. I'm sure you already know him.
Chuka, I know.
Okay. That's the mother, and that's the younger sister, Ruth.
You're all welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
None, oh?
Dalo.
My son told us all that happened. Please, we are deeply sorry.
It's okay. God has reasons for everything.
Yes.
Son, you said you were going to introduce the lady you want to marry today.
Oh yes, Father, I said so. But before I start, I would like to thank my very good friend Cheesy. Cheesy is such a wonderful personality. She's always there for me. I can't go on and on to say a whole lot about her, but I want you to know that I appreciate all you did for me. Thank you so much.
Son, you sound like you're under pressure. Say what you want to say. Man up. Say it. Come on. You're man enough.
Oh, of course, Father. I just want to give honor to whom honor is due to. Chuka, if you don't mind, can you stand for 1 minute? Okay. Wow. Chuka is one guy I really appreciate all you did. Thank you for all your advice in terms of troubles. Thank you for being there for me.
No, don't mention.
No, thank you for standing by me like a brother.
It's okay. You're welcome.
I appreciate, right? Yeah. I appreciate Chuka today, right?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Please.
I don't need a man again. I just want to stay single till I die.
No, baby, you can't say that again. You can't. What if this man has been charmed? You can't sit down here and allow any other woman take your man away from you.
What do you expect me to do?
You have to be strong.
So what should I do? Fight? Chile, I don't even have the strength to fight. See, I am done. I'm not doing this again. I just want to stay single. I want to remain single. You don't understand. Choosing a lunatic over me. His insult is too much. I can't bear it. Please leave me alone.
A lunatic?
Obed, you cannot cease to amaze me. In my very presence, you propose to a lunatic, a mentally deranged girl. This is the height of irresponsibility.
Obed, are you alright? This is why I make decisions for you. Because all your decisions are lame. Can you imagine that?
Wait a minute. There's something I'm not getting here. I thought you proposed to Cheesy. Then what is the meaning of all this?
Enough! Enough! You guys are making it look like you have your lives attached to mine. I love that girl and nothing will make me not to marry her.
A lunatic? Your wife? My daughter-in-law?
She is not a lunatic. She was an intelligent girl in her 200 level in school before the incident. It was my naivety that made her a lunatic.
So you want to marry her to cover up for your naivety? Is that what you want to tell us?
Not exactly that, Mother. I want to marry her because I love her. And I'm going to spend the rest of my life with her.
You will cease to be my son till you marry her.
Dad, I'm not threatened with that. You know why? Because I have my degrees, I have my links, I have my money. So you see, I will not regret that.
So who made you to get all those rubbish things you call? Look at what you are telling your father.
That's your husband, mother.
Never! Okay. Dad, Mom. What's wrong with him?
Your brother is not okay.
Chika, where's my wife?
What just happened in there?
For the first time in my life, I've got the courage to tell my parents how I feel.
What about Chizzy? I thought you loved her.
Well, I loved her until I met your sister.
You're not serious. Look, you're my friend, I know. Would you allow your sister get married into a family where no one likes her, apart from her husband? Would you?
Would you leave that for me? I'll make them like her.
Well, until then, let my sister be, please. Please.
Where's she now?
They're on the next available bus to the village as we speak. Please don't cause more heartache for my mom. Let my sister be.
Please. You're a man like me. Allow me do this. I love your sister.
Hi, Mama. Mama Dama Adala na poto. How do I tell my story? How do I tell Dekaje that what happened to his daughter Rosa is about to happen to me? How?
Nothing will happen to you. Nothing. I will not allow anyone to hurt you. Not while I'm alive.
Mama, these people have destroyed me. They took my left kidney. They took my left kidney, Mama. They broke my heart. They damaged and pieces me. After they will say they want to see God, that they want to make heaven. How?
They cannot break your kidney. Don't worry. The person that will accept you the way you are will come. Don't worry.
Mama, I want to start up a business. Yes.
What kind of business?
Clothes. Mama, I want to sell clothes. If I had a boutique in this village and had my own money, those people wouldn't have treated me the way they did. I need to make my own money.
It's a good idea you want to start up your own business. But the thing is, you have to go and learn it. So you know how to attend to your customers.
Mama, if you like, learn the trade and try to sell even long life and prosperity to people. Those that don't want to patronize you would not patronize you. They would rather die in abject poverty and penury than to buy long life and prosperity from you. So the only thing ringing in my head right now is to buy my tickets, buy ship, go to China, buy my goods, go to America, open my shop and open my boutique. That's the only thing in my head right now.
Can you please do your only son this favor? Can you kindly allow me marry that girl? I'm in love with her. Please understand it.
Obed, I don't think you're normal. I mean, you must have gone completely out of your mind. Let me warn you. I don't want to ever hear you mention that girl's name in this house. Again.
Son, I thought you would suggest we send her abroad for a medical care. Then after which, you take her back to her parents. Why are you always conceiving evil thoughts since I knew you? What is wrong with you?
Well, nothing is wrong with me, Mother. That's part of my plans for her. I will do that after our wedding.
Taking her abroad will not guarantee her total sanity. Now listen to me and read my lips clearly. That girl has no place in this house. She will never be a part of this family.
Well, Dad, I wasn't bringing her here to be your wife. When will you ever allow me take the decisions I want for myself? When?
When you learn how to think straight. How do you expect me to invite people to my only son's wedding? And then they come here and see that my only son's wife is a lunatic. It will never happen. It will never happen.
Son, we want an enviable life and future for you. Chizzy is a nice girl. Marry her. And I heard you have given her a ring already. Marry her and move on with your life. What is wrong with you? What?
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will never marry Chizzy.
What? What is wrong with this boy?
It's a feeling from the mystery of human. It comes from the heart, but you can see it in the eyes. It can take all over you. So strong and so deep in your heart. That is why we all in the stream of love. Love more. Manama afulungenanya. Love more. Manama afulungenanya. My heart cannot give up on you.
Where do you think you're
going? More.
Well, I have had it up to my mouth, and I will no longer take it. Since living in this house means I have to do everything the way you want it. At this point, we will call it a day. You can live your life, have your house, while I go out there and hustle my life.
Obed, you're doing this because you know you're my only son, isn't it?
No, Dad. I'm doing it because I want you to understand that I'm old enough to take my own decisions and not what you want me to do.
Son, can you bring it back, please? Can you?
Mom, please don't do this, please. I will always come to check up on you. Allow me to go.
All right. You go and bring her.
Pardon?
You heard me.
Ella, please. Don't make things hard for me. I've succeeded in convincing Mom and Dad. Just stand with me.
Come to think of it, how did you manage to convince Mom and Dad into letting you marry a lunatic?
Hey, what point of correction? My wife is not a lunatic.
Sorry, it's your life. If I were to choose a wife for you, I won't choose such.
Well, dear sis, I chose her because I love her. Come on, Ella, I expect you to stand with what makes me happy. I know you want to see me happy. That girl is my happiness. Please.
Well, it's your life. You're gonna live with her, so why not? You're my only brother. You have my support. So, try ahead.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Here's the bowl.
Mama.
Mama.
Peel that one.
Mama, deal.
Uh-huh.
Next.
Chide cherem.
Mama. is it?
Do you know that my parents has agreed that I will follow you to the city?
It's a lie. You're lying. Hey!
Hey, yeah. I came to your house to plead with your mother. And I know she will listen to my plea. When you get to your husband's house, don't cause any trouble there. Behave yourself. Make sure you always put your eyes on her.
Mama, I will do more than that.
No, wait. Mama, do you know you just indirectly called me a troublemaker? The only thing I need to do right now is just to put a call across to the DPO. Amara, you'll be locked in the cell for 10 years with proper investigation and interrogation.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, oh.
Hey, Mama. So they gave you the Accra visa?
Yes.
You got it? Probably Spencer, you need to gist me. Mama, we are coming. Robin, so finally you decided to leave this village. Huh?
Since you've abandoned me, I will not abandon myself. So, the best thing is to go to the city and put back the broken pieces of my life together.
That is the best thing for you to do. Because your mates are in the city, making real money, cool cash. All you were doing was just reminding me of how we used to make love, jumping from one tree to another like squirrel. This is the best decision you have taken all your life. See his trouser. Look at it now. Look at what he's wearing.
It's cool. I wonder why you don't like this boy anymore.
Love. So if I want to love somebody, it's this one. Look at him.
You guys were in love before.
Let's go before Obed comes. We need to pack up your things.
You'll be fine, eh? Just make sure you take care of yourself. Okay? You'll be fine. Eh? I was hard this time.
So, I should go with him?
Yes, go with him. Just go.
Mama said I should go with you.
Yes, to London.
We're going to London.
Yes.
Come.
No.
Let's go. Let's. Where?
No. It's this side.
No, you said I should enter from here.
Yeah.
I'm going to London and you want me to trek all the way to that side. I can as well just...
No. Hold. No, we can't go to London from there. You pass through. It's the other door. London door is that side.
Mama, is it true?
Go the other way and then...
Go.
Would you just...
Don't worry.
No, just be a good girl, okay?
Don't worry, Mama. Let's go to London.
Girl, okay?
London. From London.
Mama, I'm going to London and to China. Eh? I'll see you when I come back. We're going to London.
Come down.
Bye.
Come down.
Yes. London, here I come.
Yes.
Let's go to London. London. London.
Yes, London.
Please take care of that.
Sure.
Let's make sure.
Thank you.
See how this one is walking on slow motion. Who is acting James Bond? Eh? My lunatic competitor. We meet again. Please, where did this Yaba left housemate escape from? Who opened your cage for you? No, they shine your eye for me. What are you looking at? Eh? Golo, what is it? Moreover, did you forget your kidney at the police station? The two of you are mad. I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I blame Ubed who decided to look at a lunatic village ram like you.
Tell her that. Please don't talk to my sister like that.
My friend, will you shut up? Keep quiet.
When people are talking, you to church rat, you talk. See the thing, monkey. As for you, Ruth, stay away from Ubed. Stay away from him. In fact, when you get home, just pack your things and go back to the village where you belong to. Except you believe in your mother's charm, then wait for me and see what I'll do to you. Have you heard me? No, wait!
Amagidon, short thing. Who called you into this matter? Eh?
Now let me tell you something.
Shut up your mouth before I slap the living daylight out of you. Back in China, nobody tells me nonsense. I am deeply rooted in Obed's house. No leave, no transfer. I am not going anywhere. So the earlier you two get it into your thick skull, the better for you.
Oh, but shut up!
Useless.
Shut up! Can you imagine?
Look at who is talking. Oh, where is mine? Look at her. You church rat, gold digger, village champion. What am I even doing here? I'm not to be seen talking to a village girl like you. You're below my class. Let's get out of here.
My friend,
you're below my class.
You should go. I'm not doing it. My friend, shut up. I'm not doing it. Church rat.
See? Strong nyash. See a strong nyash. Idiots. You came to fight, Mike Tyson.
Chizzy, are you just going to sit down here and allow that lunatic to take your money away from you?
What do you want me to do?
Who?
Fight?
This is the point. This is the time you're supposed to do anything to get your man from that girl.
See, Juliet, I have come to realize that what belongs to you will always be there for you, no matter what happens. I will no longer be desperate to get a man. When God finally brings my man, I know he will always be there for me.
I don't believe that, babe. They said it's only the violence takes it by force. And I'm sure, I promise you, I'm going to go to that house and drive that lunatic out of the house. I will. Yes, I will.
Okay. Suit yourself. But no, I am not with you on any move you want to make to that effect. Count me out, oh?
Count you out. I'm just telling you. How can you sit there and ask something?
Julia, can you concentrate?
I'm concentrating, girl. I'm driving. If I don't tell you the truth, don't want to tell you the truth.
Pull over, let me drive.
Why should I?
Then concentrate.
I'm concentrating.
Can you imagine this?
You're serious. I did see that, young lady. Who's been doing that for so?
Juliet.
Yes, cheesy. I just said so.
So then tell me, now that you have your heart's desire, what are your arrangements? Your plan towards the marriage, treatment?
Well, I'm actually, planning to have our first stop in Ghana, Accra to be precise. Then we'll take off to Germany for the medical treatment. Then from there to US, Miami.
You've always loved Miami. Listen, if you need me to make any contacts for you in Germany for the treatment, don't hesitate to let me know.
Sure, Father. Sure. Thank you.
Nice one. You recommended it.
What is it? Pepper. Pepper inside the ose. Hey. My friend, I am very, very happy for you. Who could believe you'd be this lucky? Huh? What did you say? Who could believe that I, Ruth, would be this lucky? No. Oh, Neche, what were you thinking? That I wasn't going to get married or what? No. It's because of people like you that I carried my marriage from the village to America. No, I got married. That I did not get married in Nigeria. What are you even thinking? That me, I'm lucky. And I brought you to the city so that you can enjoy yourself. Now you're getting fat, you're drinking my Coke. And you're telling me that I'm very lucky.
Anna, Ruth, it's not what I meant now.
What do you mean it's not what you meant? Eh?
No, that's not what I meant now. I'm just happy for you.
You're happy for me? I see you. You look like Peter and I betrayed Jesus.
Hello, ladies.
I used to... Flavor Nabania. Where are you carrying from? Uncle. Brother. Daddy. You know you're a very fine man. Very fine. I swear you are very fine. Eh? Look at your fine eyes. Your fine beards. You even look like Taribo West with your dada. Eh? Please. You don't have to keep us here. We don't belong here. Eh? This thing you are doing is not your life. I can see it. I can see it. I can see your heart. See, you are very pure. Eh? You should be doing things that will make your mother proud. Your mother will be very happy. In my heart, I can see that you have a very bright future. Very bright, with plenty money. Plenty cars. But you will not make this money by kidnapping. All this money you're going to make, you will make it from a very good job. But if you continue like this, one day AK might just hold you and they'll take you to London. From London to China. And they'll just destroy this your fine boy. Eh, please. Onechi, am I lying?
No, you're saying...
Will you shut your mouth? Shut your mouth up! One more word from you again, I'm going to blow out your brain.
So how did it go?
It's a good thing you're here. Henceforth, I want you to stay away from me. Do not contact me anymore. I am no longer an assassin.
I don't understand. You didn't do the job you were paid for?
What stupid job are you talking about?
I gave you money for a job and you didn't do the job?
I said stay away from me. Are you deaf? Do you want me to tell the world? Like I said, I am no longer an assassin.
Why in the village, Obed? I thought you said it would be in the US.
Oh yes, that's what I said before, but then my wife and I agreed that it would be in the village, so since that will make her happy, I just agreed to do it in the village.
It's okay. Just make sure all the arrangements are in place. And by the way, That would make it cheaper and then get more family members to attend.
You know, right? Yeah, I thought of it too.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Abigail, you have to calm down. Calm down.
Juliet, how do you expect me to calm down? My man is getting married to another woman and you ask me to calm down.
I know you don't be You have to calm down. Stop crying. And this is not the end of the world.
Juliet, it is the end of the world for me. Wait! Juliet.
Mama, I will come for you.
Wait!
You have to stop.
Just leave. Obed, go. I don't want to talk to you. Leave. Leave me.
I know you're very mad at me. But please, can you calm down and hear me out? I know you are wondering what happened to our relationship. You thought everything we shared went down the drain. But the truth is, I was doing all of that to save a soul. This was what happened.
So me and Obina, we met with the doctor. And she really didn't have an 100% solution like she told us. But she had a suggestion, something she said she has experimented before with a patient and it worked. She said first and foremost, she needs to feel love. You need to make her feel loved. Since she cannot even remember Obina anymore, you need to step in, make her feel love, make her feel she's in a relationship with you. That she also needs to experience a much better environment. Probably you take her to the city. She said we could actually recreate the accident scene.
She used the word, take her back memory lane.
Okay, like you mean to act like we just wanted to have an accident?
Yeah, and same sports and all that. Yeah. That could trigger her to regain her memory. But there's a risk involved. You don't force her because it can lead to total brain damage.
Okay.
That's what she said. Okay. So, I know how you feel, and you know how my mother and I feel about this. We have to give it a try, irrespective of the risk.
Sure, why not? Anything for her to...
Yes, now, you have to send it. It's my money. Don't tell me that, don't tell me that. I disagree.
I didn't enjoy you.
What is wrong with you? Are you blind? Is that hard to drive? Are you mad? What? Can't you see? Do you want to kill me? No. Like seriously, is that hard to drive? No. Don't tell me sorry. Do you want to kill me? What kind of driving is that?
No, please, I'm sorry.
Obina.
Baby, you remember me?
Of course I remember you.
You recognize him?
Yes, I remember him. He's Obina.
Boo!
Wait. You know this is Obina?
This is Obina, of course, and this is the way to the house, right?
Yes, this is the way to the house. Yeah.
Obina lives very close to this place.
Yeah, on the street.
On this, yes, I know.
Ruth,
yes.
You recognize Obina?
Yes, I know it's Obina.
Hi. Baby,
give me a hug. What's this happening?
Give me a hug.
Yes. Why would you think I would let you go like that? I won't.
Are you serious?
still want you to be the mother of my children. I still want us to go great together. I love you, Cheesy.
It's a feeling from the mystery of human. It comes from the heart, but you can see it in the eyes. It can take all over you.
Not now, please.
So strong and so deep in your heart. That is why we only in the stream of love. My heart cannot give up on you. No be more. My mind cannot give up on you. If none more. Love is life, life is love. You're taking my breath away. So many things I'm passing through just for your love. Come and be the heavens, I go be the raven. If you come be water, I go be the fish.